Hello everybody, I am the Entity 101 and today I'm going to be playing a little bit of Subnautica Below Zero, yet again being late to another game. I love that, love that.
This is the farthest that I can take you on company space bucks, Robin. You sure you want this? The research is in everything.
It is to me. And Sam. I need to know what happened.
The meteor storm.
I can use it for cover from Altair's eyes.
Gonna miss you, Robin.
I'll find my way back.
I might have to turn it down actually.
Approaching 45-46 speed. Surface temperatures. Drop pod deployed.
Alright, back up from that.
Welcome to 45-46 speed. Enjoy your stay.
Oh, I'm cold. Okay, I'm gonna check around the audio for a second and I'll bring you guys right back. Alright, I think the audio is a little bit better now. Open PDA.
New blueprint synthesized.
Okay. That's the wrong button. Oh no. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna keep saying okay, that's all I know. Okay, that
Holy
brings me up.
smokes! That did not go as planned. I should find a way into the water and get to the drop pod.
This did not work out well. Okay. Other way, other way. God, I haven't played Subnautica, the first one, in ages, so I don't know anything. Please be warm. Okay. Okay, so I found that. Oh, I remember to get these. $150 Peeper. I remember peepers and bladderfish. Bladderfish are good. Peeper looks different though.
Oxygen.
Oh no. Let's get you over to your family. Come on, I got you. Let's go. Come on. Here you go, little one. There we go. Back into the water. There we go.
Found the drop pod.
Okay, resources. Personal tools, scanner, battery. Okay, resources, electronics, battery, perfect. And I'm already making a scanner, that's perfect. And I'm gonna
All
need
right, I have a scanner.
cooked tube fish. Gonna need some water. Get some more water. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna go scan that sea glide, and I will bring you guys back in a second. research creepvine. I can. Okay, I'll bring you guys back when I am next to the cache. Cache. Whatever. Uh-oh. There's gotta be something else, right?
Oxygen.
Uh-oh. This will be a willing sacrifice, right? Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh, I've still got the scanner though. I lost the stuff that I went out for though. Okay, was this a willing sacrifice? No. No, it really wasn't.
Use beacons to mark traversed territory. Show or hide the signals of your choice with your Xenoworks PDA. Now with surface support.
No, not again. Swim faster. No. Oh, God. I'm not too good at this, am I? Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay. And, okay.
Dangerous weather approaching. Seek shelter.
Alright, I'll bring you guys back when I get to the life pod thingy. Alright, hi everyone, just wanted to update you all. I've got a knife and a light, torch, whatever. Yeah, nothing interesting is really happening, so I will bring you back when something interesting might happen. Yep, really awkward, love it. Alright, hello everybody, gonna do another little catch up because I just unlocked the Sea Glide. So lubricant, copper wire. I think I know how to get lubricant. What was the other stuff? Battery. Yep, okay. And then lubricant is a creepvine seed cluster. Do I have that in here? I do. I also have a ribbon plant thing. So there's the lubricant. And there's the not the battery. Okay, I'll bring you back when I have the battery. And I've just got the battery now, so I can make the sea glide. Then I'm gonna go investigate this distress call. Alright.
The
Said it
Sea
was
Glide
two-
is a personal transportation device used for high-speed freediving. Contains a built-in light and map.
Said it was 200 meters deep. Okay, don't want that map. What is this? Ah! Okay. Let's go deep. What is this? Some kind of coral? Table coral. Ah!
Warning, passing 100 meters. Oxygen efficiency decreased.
That's right, I've got an oxygen plant. Keep going deeper. Aha. Sea truck. I think that's new, I think.
Warning, 30 seconds of oxygen remaining.
Perfect. This is good. And maybe I can fragment.
Warning, 30 seconds of oxygen remaining.
Yes! Okay, I unlocked the sea truck. I'll come back down here when I get the sea truck. Uh-oh, I need to get that.
Oxygen. Warning, passing 200 meters. Oxygen efficiency greatly decreased.
Alright, let's just get up.
New technology acquired.
Let's just get this sea truck.
Warning, 30 seconds of oxygen remaining.
Oh, what is that? Oh! Oh no. Oh, I'm gonna die down here. Oh no. What are those?
Oxygen.
Uh-oh. No, 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 no. Phew. It's close. Alright, how do I make the sea truck? Oh, I'm sure it will tell me. Okay, I'll bring you guys back when I get there. Right, so I can make the mobile vehicle bay. No, that's what I can't make. I can make the sea truck, but not the mobile vehicle bay. So I'm going to go back down there. I've already got this, but you know, may as well get rid of it. Oh, okay. Ah, perfect. 193. Okay, this is alright, this is going really well. Grab trap, okay.
Warning, 30 seconds of oxygen remaining.
I'll go back up. And I'll put that. Anything? Ah, perfect. That'd be the sea glide. Ah. Yes! Okay. Perfect. Perfect. And okay, I'll bring you guys back when I have the mobile vehicle bay. Or if anything interesting happens in between. I forgot to bring my mic. Okay, so something interesting has come up. I found this architect, I think that's what they're called, base thingy.
Sanctuary power critical.
Hello? Is someone there?
In a manner of speaking. We're running out of time.
What is all this?
Seeking emergency storage medium.
I can help you better if you show yourself.
If we could show ourselves, we would not need storage.
You mean you don't have a physical presence? Are you one of them? An architect?
Storage medium identified.
We will be lost unless we find a new host. Can you help?
Can you use my PDA for storage?
You are not with the group from before. Your cybernetic components bear their signal.
Altera? No, my equipment is, borrowed.
It will have to do.
No, why can't I get rid of this? No. Ooh.
How long have you been stored here?
Longer than hoped.
Warning. Sanctuary power critical.
Our data can be downloaded from the terminal. We may speak more once the transfer is complete.
Where's the terminal?
Yes, okay. Hurrying.
Ah.
Storage medium accepted. Brace for transfer.
Brace? Ah! Ah! What's happening?
Transfer.
Oh!
Right.
Transfer complete.
How do you feel?
Why do you sound like you're inside my head?
The facility identified hospitable capacity within your cerebral cortex.
You are in my head? I offered you my PDA! Get out!
Oh no. Does your kind perceive a boundary between cybernetic and organic components?
My mind is not a component!
You sound angry. We will allow you a moment to process.
Don't you go silent on me. Hello? This isn't happening. This is not happening. That's the explanation. It's not happening.
It's a great explanation. What can I... Ah. I just wanted the mobile vehicle bay. Alright, my trusty torch. Ah. Okay, I want these ion cubes. I'm gonna... Oh, can I... Why can't I drop anything? Ah. Oh, I want that. Oh. Should probably get that. Oh. That means I need that. I can get that. Alright, I'll bring you guys back when I am actually with the mobile vehicle bay.
Warning. 30 seconds of oxygen remaining. Warning. 30 seconds of oxygen remaining.
Hello everybody, I am the NT11 and just, you know, putting this at the end of the video to apologise for not an actual ending because of the video cut randomly when I was still playing the game, so a bunch of it got messed up. But yep, thank you all for watching this video and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.